Let me show you SkyTest Agent quickly. SkyTest Agent helps you run test case in natural language end-to-end easily. Start with putting your API key first. Next, let's create a new project. You can start with writing down the instructions, step-by-steps on what to test here. Run it, and you will get real-time screenshots and any error messages as the AI run the test for you. What if some test flow need to involve multiple users? Choose multi-browser flow. It can simulate 2 browsers run multiple steps in a sequence. After a test run, you can view the result. All prompt messages and screenshots are there. There are multiple languages support on the UI. To run a test suite regularly, such as smoke tests before each deployment, you can clone a test case and click Run to see the result. If you need to do something advanced or AI keeps making mistakes, you can insert Playwright scripts between AI steps. Finally, if a test runs have error, you can review it. In this example, the test failed due to an assertion error. You can also view usage history here. SkyTest Agent is open sources. Check it out.